Students, good morning. In previous video, we studied about some basic component of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, in this video, we are beginning from our Home tab. First, this is our slide presentation. When we click there and there, so we select our placeholder. Okay. From home, we start from slide group. First, we new slide option. New slide option, we can insert any new slide from this group. Okay. Next, layout. Layout, this is also provide to insert new slide like this. Okay. Or we can insert from this. Okay. Now this we can insert, or if you uh, up and down your slide, so select your slide and hold your left mouse button and up and down move your slide where you want to replace this. Okay, click to add. We can type here. Okay, and now this is, and click to add subtitle. uh, Nice. Students. Okay, now reset. This option reset the position, size and formatting of our current action. Section. Section, this is used for add any section in our slide, like there, like there. We can add any section, so we can click and like, and we can see it there, add untitled section. Okay, if you want to select here, then again untitled section. You can remove section from click on right mouse button. Okay, now select, as usual. You know that any formatting option apply when we select our object. So now first we select our object. This is font group. Font group, from there we can change the font style as your requirement. From this we can increase the font size as our requirement. These buttons also grow and shrink the font size. This bold the font. This is italic. This is used for underline. This used for shadow. This is used for, this option used for strike through, means a line is draw between in middle in the our text. This is character spacing. This is used for character spacing, normal, loose, very loose, more spacing, tight, very tight. So you can select very loose, then you can see this character are some expand. This is option change cases. This option used for sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. Sentence case, as usual, sentences remain their position. Lowercase, each characters convert into lower case. Uppercase, each character convert into uppercase. Capitalize is word. Capitalize word only first letter is capitalized and remaining letters are small. Toggle case, in toggle case, capital letter convert into lower letter and lower letter convert into capital letter. This option, clear or formatting, it is used for clear or formatting. First, we apply font color. We can change the font color from there. Okay. Or if you want to change, use other, you can select from here. Or customize color, you can select from here. Okay. Then the color is changed. You can see if you want to clear or formatting which are applied on this sentence, so this option use clear or formatting. Then this is again take its remaining position which is last. So this is the font group. Now again select, this is paragraph group. Paragraph group content alignment left, center, right and judgment. You always studied about these group in last classes, so I hope you learn and practice on it. This is number list or bullet list. If you want to create a list or table, then these are used for uh, creating. None, there is no applying number list, but these are different bullet lists. Okay. Okay, if you press enter, then it shift there. This is a number list and you can change uh, bullet list to number list, and this is used for applying number. In this option you can start from this and change color. Okay, you can also change your number or bullet list color. Again I see, you can see that this change and this change bullet, and so you can click on bullet and number, select which you want to apply, and okay. Okay, look, this change, this is indentation, this is decrease the level, and you can see that apply ruler, this is indentation, these are indentation. We can select uh, and this is select, or you can see change the position of typing our text from left to right, and we can select area where is our text right or right. This is a line spacing. This is used when we type any paragraph, then how many spacing we can keep in that between two lines. So we can select from this is normal 1.0, and we can select 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0 or line spacing option. This provide the we can align from left, center, right, justify, extra indentation. Before we can change indentation from here or spacing from here. Okay, text direction, horizontal, rotate, rotational. We can see that rotation. Okay, now this is your text direction is change. This is horizontal. Again, rotate, rotate in direction or horizontal. This is horizontal direction. Or more options we can change from here, text layout direction. Okay, align text, top, middle, bottom. We can select any option to format our text. Convert to smart art. Smart art. This is smart art. This is represent our uh, for presentation or text into graphical representation, and as we can see or represent in a processing style. Okay, again, if return back, control Z, press for undo. These options we can take as blank slides. This is option is a smart shapes we can apply for any, choose and select, uh, insert in our presentation. Select, when this select is a format option is also display, or now format we can change from here, and we can shape, fill our shape, like select any color, no fill, there is a no color in shape, more fill colors we can select other more color for fill. Shape layout, this is represent, layout means its boundary, we can see that is change according to select color. No layout means no boundary selection of this shape effect, we can select any effects to apply for this. Look that, or this shape fill. Okay. After this, quick style. This is used for change the style of shapes or text. Okay, you can see from, okay. This is quick style. Shape fills, shape outline, shape effect. When we select any shape, then this options used from formatting. These are showing. Find. Find option. Click on find. This box open and find what. Find what means which word you have to find, or letter or sentence. So type here and find next, and we can find here class. Find next, this is find the class in our presentation, or this is find which is that is written by us. Find 7. If you have to find uh, uh, mango, find next. Then this display PowerPoint has finished search the presentation. The search item was not found because we are not type mango in any slide. Okay, replace. After find the replace option. Replace option is used to replace any letter to other letter. Find what? If you find replace mango from with class and replace all. Okay. Again, uh, school replace with class, replace all. Okay, close, control H, select, replace with. Okay, so we can replace any other, so we can replace from this selection, select all, select object, select pen is used for select our view. We can see that after replacing class it is replace mango, and we are also select all to select this all, select object or select selection pen. This is pen selection. This is your home tab. So read carefully. Have a nice day. Bye.